Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of kitchen partition design. If you are looking to spice up your kitchen and create a more functional and stylish space, you are in the right place. We have got 5 fantastic ideas to share with you. So let's jump in right. Replacing a solid wall with open shelf in your kitchen can work wonder. It keeps the space feeling open and airy while offering practical benefits. With open shelves, you have easy access to your kitchen essential, making cooking and cleaning more convenient. Additionally, it provides a stylish way to display your dishes, cookbooks, and decor items, adding a personal touches to your kitchen. Imagine the transformation before a closed off kitchen after a bright and inviting space with shelves showcasing your favorite items. The before and after shots will clearly demonstrate how these simple changes improved both functionality and aesthetic appeal. So, if you are looking to update your kitchen, consider swapping that old wall for open shelf to breathe and new life into your space. Installing a glass partition wall in your kitchen can really change the way your space feels. It is like adding a see-through barrier that separates your kitchen from other areas like the living room or adding room. But the cool thing is, even though there is a wall, there is still feel open and connected because you can see through it. One big benefit of this is that it lets a lot of natural light into both areas, making them feel bright and welcoming. Plus, glass wall look really modern and stylish, giving your kitchen an update vibe. And because you can see through the glass, it is easy to take the people in the other room while you are cooking or doing dishes. Imagine having a sleek glass wall in your kitchen, making the whole space feel more spacious and trendy. Creating a half wall with a breakfast bar in your kitchen is like setting up a low barrier that separate different areas in your home. It is like having a mini wall that also acts as a place to sit and eat. This setup has some great benefits. First, it helps to divide the kitchen from other rooms but without making it feel closed off. It like creating a border without building a full wall. Plus, it encourages people to interact more. Picture is it like this: you are cooking in the kitchen, but your friends or family can sit at the breakfast bar and chat with you. It is a nice way to keep everything connected, and when you are not using it for eating, the breakfast bar can double as extra counter space for food prep or serving dishes. Installing a sliding bar door in your kitchen is like adding a rustic touch that is both practical and stylish. When you need to separate the kitchen from other areas, simple slide the door close. It is super flexible, giving you to the freedom to open or close off the kitchen whenever you want. Plus, it's add a unique charm and character to the space, making it feel cozy and inviting. The sliding bar door also bring visual interest and texture to your kitchen, breaking up the monotony of plain walls. In the kitchen sitting, it stands out as a focal point, drawing attention and admiration from everyone who see it. So, if you are looking to enhance both the functionality and aesthetic of your kitchen, as a sliding bar door dividers is a fantastic choice. Creating a living wall partition involves setting up vertical gardens or hanging plants to separate the kitchen from other areas while also introducing nature indoors. This method offers several benefits. Firstly, it enhances air quality by natural filtering pollution and releasing oxygen. Additionally, it adds a refreshing touch of greenery to the kitchen, which can uplift mood and create a more patient atmosphere. Imagine a kitchen with a living wall partition adorned with lush plants and cascading vines. These setups not only visual dividing the space but also realizing it, infusing freshness and vitality into the environment for a more vibrant and inviting ambience. There you have it, 5 fantastic kitchen partition ideas to inspire you next home improvement project. Whether you prefer open shelving, glass wall, half wall with breakfast bar, sliding bar doors or living walls, there is a design solution to suit every style and space. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more home design inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating.